In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Shopify packing slip. If you've recently moved, updated your return address, or rebranded your business, this quick update will make sure every packing slip you print shows the correct details. Shopify pulls the address on your packing slips directly from your store address in the admin. So once we adjust that setting, your future slips will automatically reflect the change. Start by logging into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, look to the bottom left of your admin dashboard and click Settings. This is your control center for everything behind the scenes, and it's where Shopify keeps your global store information. Inside Settings, choose the General tab. The General area holds your store's foundational details, things like your store name, legal information, and the address we're about to edit. This address serves as your business's official contact and return address on documents like packing slips and, in many cases, invoices. On the General page, locate the Store Address section. This is the exact information Shopify uses for your packing slips by default. If you operate multiple locations or fulfill from different warehouses, keep in mind that packing slips typically rely on the store address unless you've customized your template. For most stores, this is the single source of truth for what customers see as your return address. Now update your details. Enter your street address, including any unit, suite, or floor numbers to ensure returns can reach you without delays. Fill in your city, choose the correct country or region, and add your state or province if applicable. Finally, enter your postal or zip code. It's a good idea to use the official postal format for your country. Accurate spacing and capitalization help carriers route packages properly. Double check everything for typos and make sure the address matches what you use with your shipping carriers to avoid mismatches on labels and returns. When you're confident the information is correct, click Save. Shopify will confirm that your changes have been saved. From this point forward, any new packing slip you generate will display the updated address. If you don't see the change right away on a slip you created earlier, simply regenerate or reprint it after saving. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use a custom packing slip template, it should reference the store address fields to reflect these updates. If it doesn't, you may need to adjust that template later. And if your business operates internationally, ensure the country and postal code formats follow local standards. That's it, your packing slips will now show the correct address automatically.